Imagine turning any idea, text, photos, sketches into stunning cinematic quality videos in just a few seconds without expensive software, cameras, or a production crew. That's exactly what Flowreel brings to the table. Flowreel is an all-in-one AI creative studio that lets you create pro-level videos, images, animations, and even audio, all from simple prompts. No experience needed. Whether you are making social media ads, storytelling content, brand promos, or eye-catching visuals for your YouTube channel, Flowreel handles the heavy lifting with powerful AI models built right into your browser. So if you are ready to create faster, wow your audience, and level up your content game, stick around because we are about to dive deep into Flowreel, a very wonderful all-in-one tool that you find exceptionally useful in your content creation. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to start by learning how to access flowreel.net. Okay, so to access it, you come to the search bar and just search for flowreel.net and it is going to bring you over here. So transform your ideas into cinematic reality instantly. So these are cinematic reality. With just basic prompt, you'll be able to create wonderful videos like this. You can see them well created. Okay, very detailed, and you can come down here to see the kind of AI tools they are incorporating all in one place. They use Google, Kling, Hilo, Pixvaz, One AI, Flux. Directly you can see all of these can be found in one place. Okay, so once you are here, you can just come over and click on sign up if you don't have an account, or if you have an account, you can go ahead and click on sign in to be able to access the account. Now you can sign with your email and password. Alternatively, you can come over here and sign in with your Gmail account. I'm going to go ahead and sign in, and I'm going to see you at the other side. Now I've just signed into my account, so I'm going to start with the first option, which is images. So I can just go ahead and click on image creation. So the first thing I did was to enter this prompt: generate a high quality cinematic image of a confident creator working on a laptop in a modern workplace. Soft natural lighting, allow depth of field, realistic details, clean background, and a futuristic tech vibe. Okay, so take a look at the image that it has created. He's a very wonderful creator working on a system, and you can see the depth of field at his back, and you can see the smiles and so on. Everything is very well as I asked, and you can just go ahead and download this and you can use it for your content. You can specify more details as regards the kind of image that you want, probably the sizing and so on, and it's going to give you exactly what you asked for. So this is the first option, the image creation. Another wonderful thing I found about this platform is that you can edit the image that you have. So in the second case, I go to image editing, and what I did was that I imported this image of YouTube thumbnail that I made, Notebook LM new features, and I asked it this very prompt: can you change the text from the Notebook LM new features to Google Gemini new features, and also replace the robot with a human male smiling? So this is the prompt I gave to it, and then take a look at what it has produced for me. Wonderfully, it has replaced the man from the robot to this guy smiling, and it has replaced the text in its entirety from that Notebook LM's new feature. So Google Gemini's new features, you can see it has replaced everything and replaced the robot with this guy wearing this very wonderful smile. So this is the power of this particular AI tool. It is a wonderful one. You can go ahead and try it, but then let's see some more of its features. I went on further to ask further questions regarding videos. I come to videos and I ask some very basic direct questions. For example, in videos, you have the option to do image to video and you can do text to video. The first thing I did was I did text to video, and I tried it in 3 different places. The first one was this. I said, create a motivational video showing a journey from struggle to success. Start with dark, slow visual and gradually transition to bright, uplifting scenes. Include cinematic shots, emotional pacing, and inspirational background music. So take a look at what it has given me. And I think this is very wonderful, especially in the cinematic background music. And take a look at the transition from this mode to the light mode and the uplifting scene everything is well created. So this is the first option. Then I created the second option. I said create a short explainer video that visually explain how artificial intelligence helps people work faster. Use simple illustrations, smart motion, and calm background music, and take a look at what it has as well created for me. I think this one, it doesn't do actually a very wonderful job because it doesn't have the background music and the images are quite good, but it doesn't actually directly replicate what I'm trying to portray. But then let's try one more together. This is text to video. Let's say I select, come over here and I ask, can you the video of a cat drinking coffee in a bar wearing a headset and sunglasses. Okay, so I said, can you generate the video of a cat drinking coffee in a bar wearing headset and sunglasses? Now, you have to be very specific about the type of model that you're going to select. For this case, I'm going to use Kling V2, but you can use Veo, you can use any one of them. Let's say we use Veo 3 then, and then you can just go ahead and select. You can see the number of credits that it's going to take. Over here, you can specify the aspect ratio of the video. We can go with 16:9, and then the resolution, you can change it to 1080p, which is going to, of course, possibly consume more credit, but unfortunately it doesn't consume more credit. So we'll go with 1080, and then specify the video length. Let's go with 8 seconds, and then generate audio. Do you want to generate audio? I said yes, and then based on this, you can just go ahead and say provide a soft background music. Right, so we can go ahead and say generate, and let's just give it some seconds to see what this is going to generate for us. Now, while we wait for this, let's quickly show you the image to video that I've created. This is it. And over here, what I did was that I imported one of my images and then I asked it to help me generate. I said, can you make it say this? Hello and welcome to my channel. So let's see whether it is actually saying that. Take a look at the video. It doesn't have an audio, and look at it is talking. I'm not sure if this is what I'm saying. I'm not sure if I'm saying hello and welcome to my channel. I'm not saying that, but it's a good one since I'm talking. So maybe possibly we can have some improvements. So let me show you what I have created in the other side. So take a look. Wonderfully, it is wearing the headset, it is wearing the sunglasses, and the cat is actually drinking a coffee in a bar. So they have captured everything in detail. So you can see, let's play this to see what we have created. I think they got the picture, they got the message, they got every detail of it, only that I have an ambience and the cat crying, not really a background music, but it's a wonderful attempt. You can download this as well if you're interested. So basically this does it on a very simple ground on the use of Flowreel AI. You can go ahead and explore and see what you can use this to your own advantage, either from text to video as well, by just typing like we've shown. You can do image to video like we've shown by importing my image, and just go ahead and create anything that you are interested in creating. So this actually does it for this simple tutorial on the use of the Flowreel AI. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.